Hi Sanjay.
Hi, are you getting my voice?
Yes, I'm getting now.
Oh,
Hi Sanju. Yeah,
okay, hi.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for your mail. I asked you to send the update mail now, so I'm waiting for your mail.
Mail maybe do not reach the on that network. Phone is direct good. So they have.
That is why
Did you get
at least
call
we need
from?
a communication.
Okay, okay.
No,
So did you get call from the Amit side?
no, we did not receive any call also.
Okay.
Yeah, I
We
got
did.
the call. Yeah,
Oh,
I
okay,
got the call.
Okay.
okay, okay.
So today I will discuss about a file. Okay.
Sure.
So first, are you getting screen?
Yeah. Yes.
See, file is also belongs to java.io package. You know how you will be find out the what is the use of the file and then what will do the file writer and file reader. All those things I will be learn here. Got it? So,
Okay.
so can you say what is the file? Have you any idea?
File is the collection of records.
Yeah. So here I will be create as a name of the file name. Okay. Class. This is
Mm-hmm.
the class in the java.io package. Then I will be pass the some empty file. Okay. And it has some predefined method to check file is available inside a file class or not. This is the way. Okay. So now you can say what are the most important method inside the file. You go API and then you can do java.io package and then you can go to the file. File is also class and super class is
Yes.
object class. Okay.
Mm.
Definitely file have a some constructor also
Yes.
and some they have a predefined parameterized interface is also here. Whatever we have a serialized marker interface. Got it? So serializable and comparable. You already know about the comparable, right? So they are
Mm.
by default implement in this class. So right now you can see the what are the predefined some we will get. See we have a file constructor and every constructor have a different parameter. Got it? And based on that, see, create a file. If you want to create a file instance from the parent instance, the path name and child path name is required. They are also getting. So I will be implementing the program also. They are getting a file string path. You will pass the create a new file instance by converting the given path into the abstract path. Okay. So based on that requirement, we will be implement some. It has some also predefined methods. See, they have a delete method. They have exist method. Got it? Whatever you have. See, you have a file check. So how you will be check file is there or not? How you will be create delete? So all those things will be see through the method only. Got it? If you want to check test whether hello, are you getting my voice?
Yes. Yes, Sanju.
Yeah. So test
Proceed.
whether file is available or not, or directory denoted by this abstract path name or not. So based on that, we will be delete the file and directory denoted by the abstract path also. So based on the requirement, you can easily to find and you can get the all those things. List length, all method mk how you will be make the directory, create the directory, make by the already you know them what is mkdir. You know about the dir also. on the DOS prompt, right or not? Hello.
Yeah.
So same thing here also, mkdir make the directory, create the directory name by the abstract path name. Okay. So all those predefined methods, whatever is there, they will be used based on that. So every class have need one class predefined, and whatever the predefined interface is required. So you already see serializable and clonable, and he has by default object class also, and he has also predefined constructor also. Okay. And then whatever the based on that method we can use here. So now I will be go file. Okay. See, we will be create,
So,
you will be remove first. See, we have a file or not? Hello.
yes, yes.
This is the file, and we are creating a object, and then we have a
Mm-hmm.
pass the parameter. Then we have a pass the parameter. Parameter we pass the driver and file name. Driver and file name. Got it?
Okay.
So they are physically denoted that they are already available. First, I will be. So
For, for, for
which package belongs to the file? Can you say?
IO.
So first, I will be create file IO. Got it?
No, no, no. File is the
Class
class. Okay.
IO is the package.
Mm-hmm.
Got it or not? So
Okay.
we are create, and then we all check the file is available in a particular part or dot. Suppose we have syntax. You can write about this syntax. That's better for you. Copy inside the file. The
Mm-hmm.
line not create any physical file, means whatever we have a pass, this line will be not create a physically file. Okay. This
Okay.
line not create any physically file. You can write this better because some internal information is also required. This line not create any physical file. Got it? So what we'll do?
Mm-hmm.
First, it will be check, is there any physical file name with an IO data dot text or not? First, it will be check or not. First, it will be check, is there any physical name with this file available or not? This is the responsibility. Got it?
Okay.
Then if it is available, then it is simply point to the file. If it is available is here, there will be simply this one is a pointing to this one. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay.
See, you can communicate with where whenever we are learn the string and string buffer. Got it?
So we can use.
So this reference variable created an object inside that where in the heap and string constant pool both. Got it?
Okay.
So you can write that's better for you, because suppose or is it good? Can I carry on, because some recording session is also here and you have get the output. That's
Yeah.
better for you. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
So
Please proceed. Yeah.
so that's not very. So you what you do, if the available, then simply point to the file. It is not available, then it's create any physical file. Am I right or not? To
Mm-hmm.
present the name of the NIO. Suppose whatever you have want text. Suppose you will want also text. Got it? You can do the
Mm-hmm.
test. So it will be simply pointing to that, and they will be check this file is available or not. So how you will be check? This is the question. Am I right? How it will
Right?
be? Hello.
Yeah. Actually, the file f1 is equal to new file given the one file reference, right? I
Yeah,
want
yeah.
to in my E folder. I have test1 also.
See.
Okay.
Search. Wait.
No, 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 no.
2 seconds. You can wait. We have easily to understand. F1. Am I right? F1. Got it? And then we have whatever we have a parameter pass,
It should be there before you writing this. Correct?
pardon,
Correct, Sanju?
pardon.
The test.txt should be there in the E directory before we build that reference.
Yes, suppose file means they will be first create the file is available. They will be check. Is it responsibility of the file? Okay. They will be check or not. Suppose whenever you will be implement, you will be check file is available or not. So that's why we are saying that their first responsibility to indicate that. Okay, this line not create any physical file. They are first they will be create what will do if with file they will be check is file test dot available or not. Got it? You can ask what you have asking. Tell me.
No, yeah. Suppose you are defining test1.txt. I have another file test1.txt. Can I define the two files into one reference?
Two
So
file.
file f1 is equal to new. Yeah.
Yeah. You want to the two file.
Yes. I have a text1 also. I want to design the same f1 logic. So
Okay.
can I put the two files into test.txt, comma test1.txt? Can I define like that?
Yeah. Also, this is the drive. Inside the driver, multiple file will be there. Okay.
Oh, you can define the multiple files also, right?
Yes. So based on that, we can access. First, I will be first check how you will be find the our
Exactly.
file. Then how you I will be also tell you how you will be create our directory. Also, you have also see here in the method make directory. Got it or not? So they
Okay.
will create how to create a file. They will be also there. So based on that requirement, you will understand easily. Got it my
Okay.
point? So first
Yeah.
it will be check is there any physical file name with test.txt available or not. If it is available, then it is simply pointing to the file. If it is not available, then it not create any physical file. Just we are creating a file object to represent a name test.txt. Got it? So I will be go to the program and then we will be first it will be check what we are creating. We are creating test dot. Am I right? So through the exit method return type is a boolean. Definitely it will become to the boolean because we want to check is it available or not. See, return type is a boolean or not,
Yes.
and test whether file or directory denoted this abstract path is exist or not. This is the responsibility of that.
Why they are saying abstract path?
Because they are simply whatever we have create, they are simply check by that available or not. Okay, so now
Okay.
I will be compile. Right now you have comment. So we will be compile. See, we are getting or not
Yes.
directly here. That's great.
File is not there.
Got it? We are getting output is a false. Got it?
Why false?
Because
File is not there.
test.xml file inside the E not available. We have go to the E drive. We will go E drive. And
Yeah. Understand.
any file is here.
No. No. Do
Suppose
check inside the folders also.
see, we
Suppose,
will,
for example, I have a file inside the advanced.java. It will check inside also.
yeah, it will be check also. I will be show. Okay. Suppose here we will be create.
Say
I will be save the name test. Okay. This one also extension text. So no worry about that as a Java and test. Again, I will be check this program. Our output will be changed. True. Got it? Our output will be changed.
no. You keep the test.txt into the inside the another folder.
Yeah,
Go
yeah.
to the
I will be show you way of that. Okay, whatever you
oh,
have problem, I will be show. Okay, so
Okay.
so again, our problem will be solved or not. First, it will be check,
yeah.
and then will be based on that how you will be do that. Am I right?
Can you comment out 13th line and execute? It will give the runtime error.
13 line.
Yeah, comment out
This one you want to
and
know?
yeah, comment out.
Okay.
Execute that one. It will give the runtime error, or it will.
So how will we? Because this is the message to acknowledgement. This is the message.
That's true. We are referring the object means you should tell na file is not available to refer the object kind of thing.
No, 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 no. See, it is a responsibility to indicate.
Completed.
Already we have created. If you will create one,
Execute now. Where it is showing error.
they are not showing. They have. If you will be, how you will be get based on the reference, whatever he want.
Yes.
Through the reference we
Yes.
can achieve. Otherwise possible because they have a method. Suppose that if I want to see,
So
if
when you refer any method, then it will show the error. It does
see,
not exist kind of thing message.
see in the real time. Suppose you are a one object. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So without any your method or your function or behavior, people will know about you?
Yes.
Nothing. Am I right or not? At least you will
Okay.
be show to people I have a some property. So that's
Okay.
they have a some property exist. Then through your reference, they are showing that the people are not. Otherwise, you'll simply sit here and they will be not say anything else. Got it, my point? Suppose whenever you show something about yourself, what will do? You are implement your post as a method. Are you getting?
Okay.
So your post will be shown through whom? Through the system dot out dot. Otherwise possible? Whatever you have, you throw you say about through the mouths. The same thing happen. Whatever the problem will be faced, they will be so represent through the system dot out dot a reference variable. Through the reference variable call exist method. Based on that we are getting.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Then suppose this file is not available, what we'll do? Suppose we have test.1 is not available, then what we'll do? Can you say f1 dot create new file? They have opportunity create new file. Got it? Hello?
Yes, and you are following.
Are you getting something?
Yes. Yes.
What? Tell me.
If the file is not available, you are asking to create the new file
Then what
with
they
that
are
part.
asking?
In that
Tell
part.
me what they are asking.
Yeah, it throws. Yes, that is what my next question. Without how even here you need to handle exception, correct? Exception handling.
Yes, here we have
In
a,
that exception handling, we need to mention that one.
in this way we have a predefined exception handling throws. Already we have
Yeah.
learned last. We have a customer try catch. Got it?
Okay.
So right now
Got
we
it.
will mention IO package. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Then
Yeah.
we will use f1 dot exist. Now it will be created. So I will be go there and check file will be created or not. See, we have another file also created.
Yeah.
Got it?
No. Go to the code. Go to the code once. Throws IO exception. Okay.
This is the
Then
IO exceptions.
okay.
No,
Can
I'm
you
not
explain
like
again?
Why?
Sanjay.
I think.
Throws IO exception. Why do you need to include?
See, because
I
of
didn't follow that
yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah. Listen, whenever if you will get any exception or face the problem, they will be acknowledgement to you. Okay, they will be acknowledgement to you. That's why we have required the exception class.
if I don't want any acknowledgement, let's proceed that I no need to write the throws exception. This is optional or it's mandatory?
No, this is the mandatory to do that. This is the mandatory because this is not belongs to java.lang package. This is belongs to IO package. If belongs to lang package, they will be not mandatory. Got it? Means you are handling the problem of the file. This is not belongs to java.lang. That's why we are calling the means input output exception. Got it? Yesterday you already learned the exception. Inside the exception, they are a child class. They are a child class. Are you getting what I'm saying to you? Hello? Are you getting?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sir Sanjay. So you are telling that it's a mandatory. Throws IO exception is a mandatory. Without throw IO exception, you can't, right?
Yeah, not possible.
You can't even read a file without IO exception.
See, IO exception is a mandatory because of that we are right now we are creating a object. See, whatever we have file, we are creating the file on right now. If it will be accessed both way, suppose we will be remove. They also work. Why? Can you say? Can you say why they are working through the exception also?
No, yeah, actually, I tried with the throw without throw exception, but it's working, Sanjay. That's why it is mandatory, why it is optional.
You are saying that without exception,
Yes. Yeah.
your work is going there.
Create mat file is not working, but system out that you remove the create new
Ah,
file.
no. Up to that it will work. If it is not the file yet, then only you should create new file. Yes.
Yes,
If file is not there, then only you should execute that step.
because
For
because
that, you need to mention the
because you
throws.
because right now you are handling the problem of the file. Regarding a file, whatever the acknowledgement means exception will be arise, you should handle through the IO exception. This is a responsibility of the developer. Got it?
So
Yeah.
whenever we need to create the new file or you want to create a new file, we have to put the throws that exception, right? IO
Yes,
exception something.
yes. You are right.
Okay.
So now you will be,
So
yeah, tell me.
if you throws IO exception, it will do whatever action we mentioned in the below. Correct?
Yes,
To create new file or clear new file kind of thing. Whatever we mentioned, it will do the same.
yes.
Okay.
So you are getting, if you will be first check file is not available, how you will be create the file also, and then you can change the output. What? So did you get what is the exception and what is the IO exception difference? Last class, yeah. Have you remember anything else?
Uh,
See,
I know it.
IO exception is the child exception inside the exception. If directly parent exception will be called, they will be also handled, but you cannot find appropriate exception class. That's why we are writing a IO exception. If you will be mention the IO exception, means you will be not proper resource you will be utilized, because inside the IO exception class, more number of child class. Am I right or not? Inside the exception, more number of child class, so they will be disturbed, means you will be not find for what problem you are calling if you will be called directly exception. But right now if you will call through the IO exception, you can easily to understand this person is used for the, if you any person we will high, if problem will be face input and output, they will be handled through the IO exception. Got it? Hello?
So I can define without the IO. just you can say throw exception also it will work out, right?
Yes, this will also
Because
work.
because this is IO exception is a child class, so it will work out, right? Throws
No,
exception.
no. Simply, I want to say the real time in example in your family. Okay. Suppose you are parents in your home. Okay.
Yes.
And your child in school.
Yes.
Teacher teach to your child. Okay.
Yes.
Then if teacher will be teach to you parents, so how many people will be disturbed? Can you say? All child will be disturbed in a current work.
Okay.
Am I right?
Okay.
In a current, suppose your learning is not task right now. Whenever you will be submit, so whenever you will send to your child to the school. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
So whenever any task will be given by the teacher to the child, if you will be do at home, so all family member will be disturbed.
Okay.
And whatever you have a new work, your own, you cannot do that because you are solving the problem of the child.
Mm-hmm.
Finally, you are not free.
Okay. Yeah.
The same thing happen here. And teacher also cannot easily to identify which people will be solve this problem. Child will be solve this problem, or in me you can say that parents will be solve the problem. But if child will be solve the problem, definitely little bit mistake will be come, little bit some issue will be arise will become, and they will be also not find which task will appropriate for this person. Because suppose every day you will be solve the problem of child, teacher finally understand that guy is extraordinary, otherwise he learn. But one day he will take the test, he will be fail. Easily to find out that people are not getting homework, their parents is helping to him. The same thing happen if whatever problem will be faced here, if directly handled through the exception class, they will be not identify which class and which package belongs to that. But if you will be use the IO package, they will be easily to identify this is belongs to the file regarding a file input output.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
This is the way. If you will think like that in a real time, you will be enjoy. I'm saying to you. So your doubt will be clear?
Yeah. Exactly.
That's why we have need to the IO package class means whatever. Suppose doctor is just like sometime they had a doctor sometime they are just like a, you can say that exception real time because they are doing the both work. They treat the patient and they are face the problem through also means they're capable to that to make the good for the patient also. The same thing happen. We have a predefined class and we have also predefined who have handled the exception problem. Whatever you have a say, whatever you have a face the problem through the exception, they will be handled through the IO exception. Got it? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. That's good.
So we have get how a file will be checked and how you will be check the file, then how you will be create manually and you have how you will be create the by default. This is the way of that. Then again we will be check Java file object can be used to represent a directory also. So how you will be create the directory? Suppose we will be create the directory. How you will be do that? Suppose you have tag, you will be create a one directory. How you will be create? Can you say? Suppose we will create file F2 new file. Okay, then we have a task E drive. You can take, then you can take online demo. Okay, this is our file. Then how we will identify this is our file name. Okay, so first I will be check this file is available or particular folder or not. So what we'll do, then will we go to F2 dot, then exit. Okay, now will we create run. They are getting the false, means definitely this file is not available in where, in E drive. Then what we'll do, Then again we will go to f2 dot mkdir methods. Okay, then we will go f2 dot exit. Then again we will be run. Then problem has been solved. New file created. We will go and then I will be check in the particular drive. See we have online demo created or not. Got it? Hello. You have created this one.
Yes, created.
So inside the drive you can create that. So that's why we have based on that package you can create. So we have created. Again we will check.
Folder.
Got it or not? Are you getting? Hello?
Can you go to the code once?
Yeah,
Code.
you can write.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Wait, just I'm coming 2 minutes, okay? Just.
Okay.
No problem.
Hello.
Yes, Sanju.
So you have noted?
Yeah.
So you understand how particular file will be checked, how you will be create, okay? Then
Yes.
how you will be create the folder also inside the particular drive.
Which one?
This one we will creating in the inside the E.
Yeah.
And how
Okay.
you will be check based on the whatever you will be get the requirement and whatever you will be do. Suppose you will create again. We have already create in that. We will create different. So we have used constructor. What constructor we are using? First file. Got it?
File constructor.
Inside that we
Yes.
will pass the string. Got it or not?
Mm-hmm.
Then another
Yes.
we can create inside the folder. We will create the one file also. Is it possible?
Yes.
Is it possible or
Mm.
not?
Yes, it is possible.
So now we will go to that file f3 equal to new file, and then what we will be call we will be created, then you will be create test dot txt.
Sanjeev,
Yes.
I have a question now.
Okay.
Just stay there on the screen. Now you file F2, you created a new folder.
File F2.
Yeah,
Okay.
with the reference variable F2, you are trying to create a new folder.
Okay.
So when you try to execute first,
This one.
yeah,
Okay.
when it doesn't have the directory, so F2 dot make directory created the new folder for us.
Okay.
If I run second time,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
by the time already the folder must have been created.
Yes, because they have this purpose is to that to check that they will be give the true. Already we have seen the first program. First time you are getting the false, second time we are getting a true because already
Hang on,
created.
hang
So,
on, hang on, hang on, hang
yeah.
on. So now line number 20 executes, it tries to creating a reference to the folder with F2, and line number 22, we are trying to check whether that is exists or not.
Yes.
Line number 24,
Okay.
without having, without checking whether the object is, the exists true or not, you are trying to create a make directory.
Okay.
That is throws.
Okay.
Okay?
Throws will come into the picture.
Okay.
Understand, but it will try to capture the runtime exception.
Okay.
But this is up to you to write a statement with an if statement, or if you wanted to create, you don't want to create this, throw a message, etc. We are not doing anything. So once again, if I run again, the statement is getting executed and the new folder has been creating. That's what I'm thinking. Is that true?
What you
See,
are
already folder is created when you executed first time. Second time when you run again, it will get created once again because the
No.
already it is exist.
No, second time the step will not execute because the file is exist. 22 step returns the value true.
Correct.
Then 24 step will not execute.
How do you say that?
That throws IO input, IO exception will take care.
yes.
In the
So
main method, they mentioned throws IO.
line number 22 is just checking. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Exist or not. Okay. It
Yes.
will return a value yes or no.
Yes.
It will not do anything more than that.
True.
Then line number 24,
Mm-hmm.
we should execute or not. How are you
Second time
determining that? Which statement is saying not to execute?
main method
I
throws is there, no? That will
understand.
take care. If it is there, it will not create. If it is not, it is available. It will not throws any error exception. So if like exception arrived, then it will create the make directory. So you
Yeah. Yeah.
understand the question? What
Yeah.
Venkat is
Yeah.
asking?
Yeah. 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 You
So
are.
we are in correct direction.
Yeah. Yeah. You can give. Continue.
Yeah, you proceed. I think we are in the correct direction or not. What your discussion is in the correct
Yeah,
way.
yeah, yeah. They are asking that first
Okay.
we have a check that this is the exist or not. Remaining when our operation has been successful, okay, then we are getting a true. Am I right?
Where are you getting true? In line number 22, you are getting it true.
Here also I will be get the true and line number 20
Correct.
also will be get the true.
Which one?
This one will be also get the true.
No, I'm concentrating on line number 22 and line number
22, yeah,
24.
22 will also get true because already checked.
Fine,
Yes. Okay.
fine. That is saying the folder is there or not.
Folder is there.
See, line number 22 is checking folder is there or not. By method exists, you are inquiring the folder is there or not. It will be returning yes or no.
Yes, they will be check if the folder is available. They will be check.
Where
Yeah,
where are you checking? That's what I'm asking.
they are checking
It
through the
checks.
yeah, yeah. They will be
It
check through the
is
reference E drive. They have a file already available or not. Next
that
time, mkdir is not work because already they have done the task. You are saying that why not next time they will be create another?
No.
Are you asking?
Line number 22 is checking, but you are not holding that status anywhere. Is it not?
You want
The
to see
file
the,
is
you want to see the some status?
no, you're not getting my question. So line number 24 should execute, should not execute, will be controlled by an if statement or not?
It will be, see, simply here, whenever,
Sanju,
yeah.
yeah.
Whenever,
Can you place the algorithm kind of thing? How it will how the process will take care?
No.
Is the file not found?
At what statement the exception will be thrown? Is that at line number 24 or line number 22? Line number 22, you will not get an exception because the statement is perfectly executable statement.
see,
When do you get an exception? In what statement you will get an exception, IO exception?
see, whenever you do the mkdir, on that time you will be get the exception. Okay. During the check, we are not get the exception. You already see in the first.
That is true. Agreed.
Okay. Then
While executing F2 mkdir, only you will get the exception. That's what you're trying to say.
yes.
If it is already there,
Yeah.
it should supposed to throw an error, right?
Okay.
When you execute second time,
Okay.
folder is already there. So when you try to execute F2 mkdir on the second run, the folder must have been there already. So that time I should get an exception, but the program is running fine.
See, this directory main motto is there, only creating a folder.
Understand?
Okay. You want to see the exception. So whatever we will be get the exception, they are handled through the IO exception.
Hang on.
Yeah.
I'll put it in this way. You just type online demo 1. You just put it over there. You just type online demo 1.
Where you want to put here?
Yeah. So that I will create a new folder. Okay.
Okay.
So with this program, while execute, it will check for a folder online demo 1 is there or not.
Yeah.
If it is not there, so it will get created.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
And also we will be throwing, with the system.out.println, we are throwing the statuses. Before it is not there, now it is there, etc. will be. Execute this.
You want to execute this one?
Yes.
Okay. See, first I will be, can I comment this one directory?
So why should you comment that?
Because if you first they will be do the both, they will be check and they will also make. So first,
that is fine. That is what I want.
so already
The
we
first,
already we have seen already the last class means previous what we are
okay.
already we have seen. So then
All right. Okay. You take out demo 1 and you keep the demo only. You try to execute it. What should happen?
Simply we are getting here first what? This one you will pass the some message, that's better. We are getting a here false, true. I'm not getting what you want to ask because I'll show you. First they will check. First it will be check the file is available or not simply through that exist. So so our motto is that okay file is not available. Then our responsibility to create a folder, make this folder through this method.
See, that is where my whole question is. You're saying whether if it is not exist, then only you create. Where are you saying that? You are displaying that the file is not, the directory not exist. That is what the line number 22 is saying.
Yes, good.
Then line number 24, where are you checking whether it is create? If it is already there, don't create. Where are you telling that?
Through that exist method you can find out that again. again whenever you will create, they will be find out that if you will be create this part the
Understand. I'm expecting if statement should be there, but you haven't written any if statement now. And if you try to execute in the second instance, I would expect the folder is already created. I would like to see an exception over there, but I'm not getting. That is what whole my question is. You understand what I'm saying? Now you execute the program. I mean, take out demo one. You just keep demo only and execute the program. No, don't.
demo.
Yeah, take out. Yeah. So now first time you executed, the folder E online demo folder has been created, right?
Okay, yes, already you have created.
Yeah, line number 22 should supposed to reflect it is exists. Say yes will be reflected.
Yeah.
And now line number 24 should not be executed because the folder is already there.
Okay, yes.
All right.
Yeah.
But I would expect this time this should throw an IO exception when you run second run. Agreed?
You want to show the exception if you are again when the second time, am I right?
When you're running second time, the program supposed to get a runtime error because the folder is already existing.
Okay.
But will you get that exception or not?
See, they have also some parameter will pass. They will be checked based on that. That's why we are using the file not. We have a try catch. Try catch we are mentioning right now. Before of the try catch, we are mentioning the IO exception. Through that, they are configured. It has also predefined methods. Okay, inside the predefined methods, they are responsible to that to handle this kind of the problem.
Okay, just answer me a question. Now you run this program. Should we get a runtime error or not?
No, they will be not get.
Why?
Because whatever they have a operation perform, they have done already.
Already the folder is there with E online demo and you're asking to create once again. And operating system will deny because already the folder is created.
Okay.
So I supposed to get that to the JVM and JVM supposed to throw IO exception for me.
On that condition, we will pass that reference inside that where duplicate value will be checked. Okay, then duplicate.
We haven't written anything over here, but why am I not getting exception? How are you going to deal? I'm not interested. I'm asking you, why are we not getting the exception now? Execute the program.
See,
I expect we should get an IO exception now because the folder is already created.
yes.
Then now you're asking to create one again. F2 dot make directory means already you're trying to create once again.
See, if already they will be created, they will be not work again. Second time it will be not work.
Where that was handled. Where that was handled. That is what is his question.
Where is that we have written that?
Go to the IO exception class.
Yes.
You said that there are some methods inside that they will handle that one now.
Already I told you. You will go to the IO exception.
Methods will be there, Girish, but you have to use it in your program. You have to write a statement in the program, right?
That is what he's saying. No need to write. It will take care. He's saying. No need to mention separately. If it is there, it is not there. That will automatically execute. If it is there, it will skip that one.
See, if you will pass the exception, this will be also see they have IO exception by default. They are handling. They have also parameterized constructor. We have last class you saw. Whenever you will know the exception name, you will be passed in the catch block. Got it? But right now we have a by default IO exception. Right now by default IO exception, they are handled based on the IO exception. That's why in the real time we have noted based on the requirement, you will be use the try and catch. See, we have also exceptions we have. constructor an exception with the specify cows default message to that. Cows equal to null or null. Cows to string, they have passed the parameter contain the class and detail message of the cows. This constructor used to IO exception, that literal more than a wrapper for other. So based on that they are handled. See, we have also some parameterize. Great. Subclass we are using right now. File exceptions we are getting. See, inside that they are implemented file not found exception, that kind of whatever we have a predefined class, they are handled through that IO exception we are getting. Got it my point? Hello?
Yeah, I'm there.
Got it my point what I am saying to you?
You're trying to understand.
What you get? Please tell me.
I haven't seen any exception that directory is already created. Where is that related exception? I'm trying to search in that in the class. See, I expect our directory is already created. The related exception, I'm trying to search on the screen what you're showing to me.
You want to see that if file will be there already, you want to see the exception. Am I right?
Yeah, I wanted to see that, yes.
Okay. I will be show you. Don't worry about that. Anything else?
Now, how it will be skipped? That is what is question. If a file is there, how 24 step will 24 line step will execute?
Right. See, right now they are handle whatever the operation we perform. They have simply smoothly work. If file will be not there, they will be face the problem. They will be get the message through that. They have predefined methods. Through that we will identify file or available or not. If exit method,
that is okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That is okay. Even you comment out that one also. Even you comment out 22nd line. If the file is not available, 24 line will execute.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because of what? Because of what?
If file not available.
Because of?
Yeah.
Yes.
See, simply
The file is not available.
Okay.
Because of what? 24 step will execute.
Suppose you will.
Which process will take care for that one?
Which process
will take care to execute 24 step? Which process will instruct the program to execute 24 line?
24 line you want to execute? See, first it will be, we have a verify of that. Before.
But can you put in algorithm manner? That's better. Can you put in algorithm way? So 20, you are right. You are creating the reference object.
See this one. Okay, wait.
Can you go to the
Suppose we will create.
So create on reference object.
Okay. This one is the reference object. Okay.
Yes.
Then,
okay. Yeah. If the file exists, what happened? If the file not exist, what happened?
this one, then you will be go. One dot. This one is our method. Got it?
Okay.
It will be check.
Okay.
First will be check if file will be not available. Okay.
Okay. Available or not, it will check.
Yes. Then it will.
Okay.
If file will be not get, they will be go to the false. They will go to the false.
Okay. True.
What will you get? They will go to the
Yes.
false.
Okay. Yes.
Got it?
Yeah.
Then if your file will be available.
Okay. True.
They will be pass the true.
Yes. Up to here we are clear.
Okay.
Okay. Then if the file is not available,
if file will be not available, then we will be
yes.
to that. Then again we will go.
From false you can go. From false you can go. If it is false, then you need to create the file.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Will be false.
Yeah.
They will be create f1 dot mkdir. Got
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
Then after creating that, then again we will be
No, hold it.
yeah, yeah, tell me.
Hold it. Hold it. Once it is false, which method or which class or which object instruct to create this method? Where it will mention?
Make directory.
Based on
Make
that,
directory will create.
this one is
If
that
it is not there, it will create. Correct. Where you mention that one? If it is false, you can create this one. Where you mention that one?
That is what if statement. Where did you kept it? If it is false, then only create. Where did you write that?
when we'll get the false, then
You should if it is false, then only create it.
okay,
That if statement, where is that you mentioned in the program?
we are simply pass the inside the message. Through the method we can check.
Yeah, show me that method. That is what we are asking. Which method which method is taking care of about that one?
This one.
Which method?
Exist method will be there. They
Okay.
will be check
Okay.
if the file is available or not. Based on that we will do.
Okay.
See this one whenever.
Can you comment out 22 line? Can you comment out 22 line?
See what? Which line? Can you say?
22 line you can comment out.
Okay, 22.
Yeah. Instead of online demo 5, mention online demo 6.
Online demo 6. Okay.
6. Yeah. Can you explain what is the process now? It will create the demo 6 or not now directory.
Directory will create. Directly we are creating.
Why it will create?
Because they added methods of the mkdir to create.
That's okay.
So
Who will instruct to create that
our
method?
responsibility first it will be check is there available or not.
Yes.
Got
Okay.
it? If suppose if
Okay.
part will be passed,
If it is
yeah.
okay.
If you will pass f, suppose that if f dot exist will be there, okay.
Okay.
Inside the message will be pass system dot auto print. It will be true, they will be given the message. Otherwise it will be not, they will condition pass and then we will make the mkdir.
The program flow we can understand, Sanju.
Okay.
If the file is not there, 24 step will execute and create the directory. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
If it is file is there, 24 step will not execute.
Yes.
This process how program will handle without. I think you have idea about the loops, correct? If loop.
Yeah, yeah.
If condition kind of thing. I think you have idea. Normally we mentioned that if the file is available.
Okay.
And if come out, if the file is not else, you can create the file like that we mentioned.
You want
normal
to
COBOL program or somewhere. Yeah. Normally we will do like that. Without mentioning anything, how the program will handle. That is what Venkat question.
This one you want to see that. Am I right?
In this way we are expecting the code. Without writing all these things, how now it is creating the program, creating the directory?
Without
writing all these codes, conditions.
Okay.
How it is
Identify, you are saying that.
Yes, how it is identifying.
See, simply right now we are teaching to how you will be create file folder. Okay, then you will be get the inside the scenario. Okay, first if I will not know the how file will be create, how folder will be created, how I will be create the file inside the folder, what will do on that way? Are you getting my point or not? Tell me. Hello.
Yes, Sanju. Yeah.
Tell me if you have any other,
No.
because doubt if
Like,
yeah, yes.
that is what his question, Sanju. Actually, if you
Okay.
if you put the if condition,
Okay.
file is not there, create the directory. If the file is directory is not available, create the directory. If the directory is
So that's why
already available,
this one will be passed to the if else condition.
yes.
So that you can do that.
Earlier, without if else condition, you complete that process.
Yes.
How it is possible?
Right now,
How it happens?
see in the right now I'm showing the all those things handled through that. Suppose if you that the same thing you
No,
will
no, no. Come back. If all this process handled by the throws, yes?
yes, yes.
That is what his question.
Okay, so right now you have clear
No, I think Venkat is not available in online.
what?
Venkat, hello? I think Venkat is not available, Sanju. You can proceed. Once he is available, you can clear him.
I understand what he want.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you understand?
Yeah, yeah, I understand very well.
Yeah.
Directly he want to.
Without writing if else condition, how it was handled.
I understand. Right now, first I will
Yeah.
go and the normally. Definitely, if I will be take all the condition, whatever in the real time, okay, they will be take the
Mm-hmm.
much consume time, both. You can think that. And most first, I will want to show on the how you will be normally work. If people will be not, right now we are teaching the best. We do not know the how create a file, all those things. After that, getting the information, then you can implement. That's the problem. People directly show in the project all those things, but if you are not focused on that here, what will do? You can say also. Right now you are teaching to your child to what? To the table, and directly you will start the addition, subtraction, multiplication without table and counting. What will do people? Think like that. Is it possible to say?
No.
Right now we are not know in the class how to create a file folder, inside the folder all those things. Then again I will be give you the scenario. I got the mails also from there. We have to do the assignments. I will be submit to you, and I will be give that time also after over this session. What kind of a problem face? I already told you in first class. I will be not left without you are getting the confidence. I know session will be over during the times. Today I will complete file, tomorrow I will complete the JDBC also. But matter is that where you getting the problem and how you will face the problem, you can ask that. Got it or not?
Okay.
So this is the way. This is the way of that.
Okay.
If you will be suppose right now start the creating a logic here, you will forget the all normal flow. First we should need the normal flow of that. That's we can go ahead.
Yeah, fine.
You can
Yeah,
think,
proceed.
you can think the
I
behalf
think
of that.
Venkat is available now.
Oh, that's the way you can say to him. That's better to communicate because he spent too much time with you than me. So you can communicate that's the way. I understand about
He's
that.
there. He's available. He is available now.
Okay.
Venkat.
No.
Yeah.
You are writing if statement, I'm fine with that. I know how to write and no, I got the point. But why are we not getting an exception while executing the second time is my question. That is what I'm asking since beginning. If you create f2 dot make directory, we are instructing them to create a directory. Okay, without you checking whether the directory is existing or not, you are making an attempt to execute the method again second time. So that time I would anticipate there would be a runtime exception will be created. Why it is not creating is my question.
Simply, I will be said to you, whenever you want to exception based on your requirement, you can pass that value inside that try and catch block. On that time, you can use based on the customized exception, what exception you will get. You will pass the message.
All right, Sanjeev. I mean, I don't think I'm able to communicate to you what is my question is exactly. I expected when you execute second time make directory without you try catch and review if statement, I'm expecting a runtime error, but it is not happening. Directory created, you are asking to create the same directory again by running second time. I'm expecting that should throw a runtime error for me, but it is not. Is it the case or not?
Yeah, I got it. Your case.
Then why am I not getting runtime exception? Irrespective of your if statement, your parameter, try catch, etc. discussion, we just created f2 dot make directory. Okay, first attempt it will create a directory, understand the procedure we follow, rules we follow. And without we changing anything, you execute the program on second time. That statement should throw a runtime exception for me, but it is not happening. That is what the whole question. Since last 15-20 minutes, I'm roaming around that question. Instead, should I think make directory is overriding the previous directory without informing us? I don't think that should be the case.
See, we are simply, you are saying that, I have got your point. You are saying that we have already filed. If again next time will be got, why I'm not getting exception?
Correct.
This is your question. But
Sanju,
right now,
what?
yeah, see, why right now we are teaching to the normal flow how you will be create. If you will be think right now this, I will be show one by one, but directly if you will enter, that's the problem.
Okay, that's fine. You continue then. We will wait for some more time.
Sanju,
Yeah, you can ask.
against that main method, can you go to the main method?
Okay, main method.
Against the main method, you mentioned as throws IO exception. Yes.
Okay, yes.
When it will come to the picture?
When will you come to the picture?
When it will come to the picture in the below code?
Okay.
When it will come to the picture?
Whenever
When it will execute?
whenever you will
Yes.
whenever I will be get the any exception here, okay,
Okay.
they will be come through that. That's the way.
Okay.
Okay, suppose if
Come through that and okay.
suppose you will be,
Come through that and it will mention the action also. What action it will take also it will mention.
yes, that's why I'm saying that if you will pass this scenario inside the try catch block, if
Okay.
you will be pass the IO exception in the catch block.
Yes. Okay.
If your file will be not there in the try, they will be go to the catch block through that
Okay.
handling.
Try catch.
Okay,
Okay.
try catch. Suppose if file already available, okay, then simply print out.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
See, right now we will be comment this one to here. You will be comment all these things. That's better. We will be create. Okay. Based on that already we have create. They have created. Okay. We use this one. That's better. There. What we'll do. So can I go ahead for the next topic? I will be solving the problem, okay? So don't worry about that. This kind of scenario also I'll be solve. Anything else? Can I go ahead? Hello?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. What I'm saying that. So right now we are creating a one drive. Inside the drive, we will be create how file will be inside that the particular folder. So through that we will be create and check is that available or not. You can write some exception, that's better. Field gist. Okay. That's the file. You can also pass. That's better. Okay. Hello, are you getting?
Yeah.
Okay. So now will we check compare to particular folder. false, then create F3 dot file we have created file folder. So we are getting the driver name, okay, we are getting folder name, and then inside the file. So now I will be go we are getting inside the folder, we are getting a file. Hello, hello, Mr. Ram, are you there?
Yeah, Sanju. Yeah.
We are creating here through that we have a folder, okay.
Yes, we
Inside
have.
the
Yeah.
folder, we are getting a file,
Okay.
okay. After that we will check is the folder file will be there or not. So through that exist we
Okay.
can check, and then we will create a new file, okay.
Okay.
Right now we have we are simply one parameter we have pass string, we have right now we are part of
Yeah.
two parameters,
2 parameters. Okay.
okay. Inside the parameter we will be pass the value, and then again we will be create. So we are getting e drive, we are getting the folder, inside that we are getting a file. So we will go online, we are getting a file, right?
Yes.
So inside that we have also see that how you will be retrieve this kind of the information on the browser, and how you will be retrieve or how you will be write the data onside that. So in this session you are getting that command. First you are learn the method exist method, then second you are getting the mkdir, got it. Then you are
Okay.
getting the creating a new file, creating a new file, okay, got it or not.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
So I will be show you, okay, whatever you have a task I will be discuss, because right now I'm only
Okay.
for the flow. Another things you will get that during that you can say that okay I have the some problem, I did not understand. Simply you will be check on that time you have need to the logic. If people will be exist there, then what will be the next operation? Based on that you will be pass the message. This is the all responsibility of the developer. By default
Okay.
you cannot handle, by default you cannot get, that's the problem of that. See,
Yes. Yeah.
we are configure the IO exceptions in the real time, less amount of people you are using, they have predefined. Based on that only you will be so try catch, because try catch developer is responsible to pass the all exception.
Okay.
Sometime people will give to the also custom exception based on the requirement you can create.
Yeah. Yes.
So I will be so, and I will give you all the as possible. I will be prepared for the interview, means whatever the most probably question asked and why they have need to require this kind of exception. I'm agree with the blanket, okay? But matter is that why there people are asking that kind of question, why you have record all the based on the logic, means operator, how much you have good in the operator, if in part, that much you will be enjoy. Sometime I will be pass this condition in the also do while. First it will be check first time, then we will go to that. Okay? Got it?
Okay.
My point?
Okay. Yes.
So the same thing happen. We will be use the delete command, when we'll use the string command, all those things we will be work here. So I will be pass what are the value inside that. Suppose if you write anything else, you will be easily to get. Suppose you will be yeah, here I will be pass string s, you can write f3 dot list, what are inside that. We will go for loop string s1 colon s.
This the string. Why you mentioned this
See,
brackets?
they will be this one
Yeah.
already.
Array.
Yeah, this is an array. Through the reference variable,
Okay.
you can also, you already learn the array.
Okay. Okay.
Inside the
Yes.
array
Yes. Yes.
dimension, you can easily. Otherwise, you can here also you can. This is the way mostly you will be get. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
But right
Okay.
now you can also write. So don't worry about that. Got it?
Okay.
Suppose you will pass the file. Already we have a pass F4. You will be do. You have passed the parameter F3. Okay. Then we have a S1. S1 is we have a parameter. Then if F4 dot is file is available or not, check. Then S1. So right now we are creating a one string, okay. Through that we have a response, and they will be check the list, what are the list inside that, they will be pass in the S. Then we will be call through the for each loop. For each loop we are creating a one file again, then we have a pass the reference, whatever the folder file will be there, and then they what kind of the information they will hold, they will be passed to parameter in file, and then we will be check is file is available true or not. Based on that, see we are getting file. Suppose we will get exception in a main method, null pointer exception. When did you get null pointer exception, can you say?
When the
Null pointer exception, when you are getting a null pointer exception?
Unchecked exception, it comes.
Okay. Can you say what are the default value of the object?
default value of the object, yeah, null.
Null. So definitely based on that you can understand, whenever I will be hit the data, whenever I hit the data will be
Okay.
not there. Got it or not?
Okay.
The
Yes. Yes.
data will be
Yes. Yeah.
not that there. That's why we are getting
Okay.
this kind of exception.
Okay.
Am I right?
Yes.
So Right now they are getting where exception you are getting? Line number
43.
43. See, we have a
Yes.
line number 43.
43. Yes.
Got it? Means whatever we have a pass through that.
Reference
Yeah. We are pass this one value inside the string. After that, we are comparing of that. They have a file. They have a reference variable. They have a reference variable of what? Current package. After that, we are passing whatever you have value, whatever the value hold, string parameter, string array. Okay, we have a two constructor. We have means two reference variable you pass inside the file. After that, they will be check is file is available or not. Based on that, we are getting exception. The same thing happen whenever you will be check in your file is available or not. You can implement that, and then you, if your file will be already available, based on that you will get the output exception. Got it?
Okay.
So more number also you can say the file is a directory. You can check whatever you have a file, and file is most important. Before input output stream is also required. Okay, so tomorrow I will be take the much. So you can you possible to the 1.5 hour also extra tomorrow time, because I will be complete the
No.
GDBC. This is a fixed 11 to.
Yeah, one is fixed. After that, we have scheduled meetings and other sessions working also.
Okay. Because I will also we have a need to the JDBC. JDBC also most important part to complete the Java.
So after this, only JDBC is available pending.
Yeah, JDBC has pointing after this topic.
So there is only the pending.
You need one or two classes, or one class is enough?
See, hello.
Yeah.
In that session, we have need to the how Java application to communicate, okay, in the database, and what are the most important class interface is there, how you will be handle the exception. There also predefined exception, SQL exception is there. So through that through the IO exception, SQL exception, and try catch, also we can handle in the Java application. How to communicate? Suppose you are creating one employee file in the Java, the same file you will be creating in the JDBC also. So you have complete Oracle class? Hello?
I think no, they are not yet completed that one.
I think they have one or two classes left. Probably it will be resumed from Thursday, if I'm not wrong.
What are the topics there in your JDBC? I'm sorry, Oracle?
I don't know. We are not attending the PLSQL class.
Why? They are not saying to anything else?
They are separate batch. We are separate batch. 3 people attending PLSQL, 4 people attending Java class. That's what the schedule is all about.
Okay. So you know already, Oracle. Am I right or not? Little. You know already.
Yes.
So I think you have not any face the problem there. Simply.
Yeah, from Java point of view, you just go ahead and explain us how the JDBC works for us. That will be good.
Yes, because Java point of view is also see already. Can I take 10 minutes extra here also?
Sure, no problem.
Okay. So see, whenever
Girish and Mohan, is that okay for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
suppose we will be Java application. Okay, this one is the Java application. This one we have a database. Okay, we have n number of the database. You can say simply whatever we have predefined on here mostly. So can you say what is the difference between MySQL and Oracle? Can you say little bit?
What do you want to, what is it you are expecting out of us? What is the difference between MySQL and Oracle? What is that you are expecting the differences
Expectation of
between
that,
those?
yeah, expectation is that that's which one is the open source and which one not open source.
Yeah, MySQL is an open source and Oracle is a licensed proprietary product.
So based on that, this is the part, see, we will use. This is the database we have. Okay, so here you have you can say that MySQL, Oracle, DB2, more number of databases there, but matter is the how you will be communicate to each other. Okay, so can you say what is the role of the interface? Can you say something?
Front end to database. Communicate between this database and the front end.
Means we have need to the one people are interface between the Java application to the database. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
The same thing happen here. Driver is interface to communicate between Java application to the database.
Okay.
Java application to database, you can say. You can say here we have JDBC, Java Database Connectivity, jar file. We have a JDBC, Java Database Connectivity jar file. Okay.
Okay.
So inside the jar file, they have a predefined class and interface. They have a predefined class and interface. Got it?
Okay.
So that jar file I will be call here. That jar file I will be call here. JDBC jar. Okay. And then based on that, we will be communicate. Got it? He has a jar file. So please see here, that's better for us. This is Oracle, MySQL, Oracle, product, version, server, JDBC, live. Inside that we have jar file or not.
Okay.
So we will pick up JDBC, Oracle Java Database Connectivity. This jar file I will be plugging in the Eclipse. Got it? This jar file will be plug-in inside the Eclipse. They are hold the predefined class interface. If jar file will be not there, you will be see the syntax error in the Eclipse. Got it? People are got it my point? What I'm saying to you?
Yeah.
Or already you know Java is a reusability. Reusability means already they are developed. We will only use it based on the requirement. That's the fact. Sometime whenever you will be use MySQL, they have also predefined jar file. But execution flow of the JDBC is same for the everyone, only for change the URL. And whenever, so did you get where I am getting the jar file?
Okay, go to the picture once.
Yeah, see.
Java is there.
Our Java
Database
application,
is there.
okay? Our Java
Yes,
application. Here we have a database. Here we have a database.
Yes. Database.
At the
Yes, yes.
database, we have a JDBC, means jar file. Every database have a jar file. Okay.
That is what you showed me in that path. In that.
Pardon?
That is what you showed me there in the Oracle.
Yeah.
You showed that one folder JDBC.
Yeah, this one you are saying that.
Yes. Okay.
We are getting
That,
JDBC inside the lib
yes.
library
Okay.
file. Inside the library file, we are getting all the jar file. So I will pick
Okay.
only one. This is the version. Maybe if you'll get to the 12.c, they have changed, maybe 14 or 13. So don't worry about that. Okay, based on that.
That's okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
the OJDBC in 14 dot means you can say Oracle database connectivity. You will be directly import in your file. Okay, suppose you will be create here. I will directly call this jar file here, and then based on that we will implement. Means whatever predefined class, whatever can you say the or a package name, JDBC package name, can you say? Java.sql. Java.sql
Okay.
is a package.
Okay.
Already we have discussed in the first session, whatever the most probably use of the package. Okay.
Okay.
Java.sql, Java.sql also there. So inside that they have a predefined class and interface. What are that?
Okay.
Class. So one interface is driver. Through that driver, we can communicate Java application to the database. Got it? My point or not?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
This is the way to communicate. If jar file will be not there, sometime you will be getting in the real time also Maven jar file, JDBC jar file, Spring jar file, Hibernate jar file, structs jar file. If jar file will not support, your syntax error will be generate in your source file. Why? Because in the source file, whatever you will be use in the class interface, they belongs to this jar file. That's why we are getting the red also. So don't worry about the, suppose you have already developed some application, people will send to you, but matter is that why they are getting exception, because whatever the supporting jar file is required, you are not submit. That's why we are getting a syntax error. Got it?
No, where the relation will build between the Eclipse and the database, we have jar file. You
Yes.
need to mention that number.
Yeah.
Jar file number.
Yeah. Jar file, and then you will be easily to communicate. Got it? Hello?
Okay.
Yeah.
If you want to show the code, I will show you. Okay? If you have a
Yeah.
time. Can I show the code also?
What
Means how a Java application.
you have a relationship already there with Eclipse and already database with the database
Because,
already there.
yeah, I will be show inside the Eclipse also.
Show me inside the Eclipse showing.
Yeah. See, Eclipse is also based than a NetBeans, because in Eclipse, all those are responsible to the developer to get the all those the internal part. See, we will be used.
So you mean NetBeans is the best one?
Yeah, Eclipse is the best
Eclipse
one.
is the best.
Yeah,
Yes,
because
yes,
all those things you will be responsible to see. Sometime if you go to the implement, people will ask to change the port number. You under not a, so here we are already mentioned the server which Tomcat. Am I right?
Yeah.
During the installation, but we are not say how what are the component inside the server, all those things. But whenever you
Yeah.
will be do that through the Eclipse, you will be responsible to select all those things. I think here also file is there, right? This file is belong. No, this one is not. This one. Can you find this kind of code? Whenever you will see that this kind of code, what kind of code can you say in this stage?
Which code?
This one.
Get put.
Yeah.
Get set.
Get set.
Okay.
What will say in the real time? What will say? In the Java point of view, what you will say? Can you say?
Data abstraction.
See, in the Java point of view, you can say that encapsulation.
Yeah, encapsulation.
Encapsulation.
Got it? And this is the way. Because whenever you will be go to the one way also business class, this is your business class. Right?
Yes.
Suppose, so
Yes.
that's the way, if you will understand how many way on what are the name, sometime nickname is based on the requirement they are giving. In that we are using of that JDBC. No, this one is
Okay, this is extended. Sanju, can you show me that? Could you please stop for today? Can you show me the relation between how to where you mentioned the Eclipse?
pardon.
Stop it.
Hello?
How
to
to
relate?
configure
Yeah,
JDBC drivers in Eclipse. That's where we come to Eclipse.
yeah. You can directly, suppose you will be create one file JDBC. Okay. First you can write, then you will be get, finally we have a source. So right now I will be plugin build path. We have already said the last. What will add the external jar file? Got it? Add
Okay.
the
Okay.
external. You
Excellent.
can go to the
Okay.
external. You will save file. You have go to that. Then you will find where our Oracle in
From Oracle, you need to copy. Okay.
product go server JDBC leave. You will apply copy. So you have a set. Got it?
Okay. So it was set
Yeah.
to the connected to the database.
Yes, right now you
Yeah.
have a communicate with the database, but how it will
Okay.
be communicate, how it will be go through the application we will develop.
That's
Okay,
okay.
so
Okay.
what are the class
Okay.
interfaces there? See, this is the also JDBC. Sometime it will use the future Hibernate whenever you will be Spring, whenever you will be structs. So that's the way to communicate with the database, and they have a
So with connection, we can access any of the file from the database.
yes, suppose whenever you have requirement. See, right now in the core Java, we are work based on the whatever predefined jar file is hold. Got it or not? And
Yeah.
based on that we are using. Suppose whenever I will be use the server, inside the server we have a API. We have a API.
Okay.
Servlet API, JSP API, and inside that also a class and interface. That's
Yeah.
why interviewer will ask what interface package inside the particular topics. And people will find out if people will responsible to communicate all the jar file as a developer, they will be easily to say. If people will not, sometimes people are multiple jar file plugin, but they do not find which class belongs to which jar file. They have the face the problem in the real time. Got it?
Okay.
So can I go ahead or over?
Yes. For today, it's enough. We can proceed tomorrow.
Okay.
We have some other work also.
So this is the way to say that, okay? So,
Okay.
but here you will be see the by default whatever Tomcat is there. We are not responsible. There in keep lips, I will be configure. You will be see also in the way. But mostly whenever you will be the Tomcat web-based application, whenever you the servlet and JSP. I think in this session you have not mentioned only for core Java JDBC. So tomorrow I will be communicate how Java application do database and how database will be get the output and how you will be show on the command prompt. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's okay.
Okay.
Sanjeev, can
Yep.
you do a favor? If you see Shivali or Amit around you, can you call them? Can you inform them to come onto the call? I need to talk to them.
Yeah, you can.
This is for the next call. I'll just be online. Can you ask them to come and join the call?
Right now?
Yeah.
Through the phone or name you want to say that?
No, the line is already open now. Ask them to come over here.
Okay.
I mean, I'm not in India, so that's a problem.
Okay.
I'm in US now.
Okay.
Mohan, Grish, if you want, you can drop off. I'll talk to them for next batch details and then
Okay.
I'll talk to you. Okay?
Sure. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Hey Shivali,
Hi, sir. How are you? Please tell me.
I'm doing good. So I think today, tomorrow, your invoice will be cleared if I'm not wrong. I did completed all the formalities.
Okay, okay,
I just wanted to confirm back once you receive your amount once, number one.
okay.
Number two, maybe you can stop the recording. Maybe this will be recording, right?
Okay, just a moment.